Today we are going to learn about mastering null values in Pandas. We'll cover how to efficiently handle null values to ensure data integrity and enhance analysis accuracy.
Welcome to this video on mastering null values in Pandas. Null values, also known as missing or NA values, are common occurrences in datasets. They represent the absence of a value and can arise from various sources, such as data entry errors, missing entries, or data integration from different sources. Understanding and handling null values is crucial because they can significantly impact data quality and analysis results. In this video, we will explore the various methods to identify, fill, and remove null values in your datasets using Pandas. Let's start by understanding the basics of null values. Null values can have a profound effect on data analysis. When left unchecked, they can distort statistical calculations, leading to inaccurate mean, median, or mode values. This distortion can mislead data insights, causing analysts to draw incorrect conclusions. Moreover, machine learning models can suffer from null values as they may lead to biased training results or even cause algorithms to fail. Data visualizations can also be misleading when null values aren't properly handled, as they might result in incomplete graphs or charts. Therefore, addressing null values early in the data processing pipeline is crucial for maintaining data integrity and ensuring accurate analysis.
Identifying null values is the first step in handling them efficiently. Pandas provides several functions to make this task easier. The isNull function is a powerful tool that returns a data frame of the same shape, indicating true for null values and false otherwise. Conversely, the notNull function does the opposite by marking non-null entries as true. To check for nulls across an entire data frame, you can use the isNull sum method, which provides a count of null values for each column. Additionally, Pandas offers visualization tools like MissingNo or Seaborn to create heat maps, allowing you to visualize the distribution of null values across your dataset. These functions and tools are invaluable in assessing the extent of missing data and planning the next steps for handling them. Filling null values is a common strategy to handle missing data, and choosing the right method depends on the nature of your dataset. The mean is often used for numeric data as it provides a simple average to fill the gaps. However, it's sensitive to outliers, which might skew results. The median offers a more balanced approach, especially when dealing with skewed data, as it represents the middle value. For categorical data, the mode, or the most frequent value, is ideal for filling nulls. Each method has its pros and cons, and the choice often depends on the specific context of your data analysis. For example, in a dataset with salary information, using the median rather than the mean might provide a more accurate representation due to potential outliers in salary figures. Sometimes, filling null values isn't appropriate, and removing them becomes necessary. The dropNull method in Pandas is a straightforward way to eliminate rows or columns with null values. By specifying the axis parameter, you can choose to drop rows, axis equals 0, or columns, axis equals 1. Additionally, the threshold parameter allows for more control by setting the minimum number of non-null values required to retain a row or column. While removing nulls can simplify datasets, it's important to consider the impact on data size and integrity. Excessive removal might lead to loss of valuable information, so it's crucial to weigh the trade-offs before deciding.
Interpolation is a sophisticated method for estimating missing data points within a dataset. It involves using existing data points to predict and fill in the gaps. Linear interpolation is the most common technique, which assumes a straight-line relationship between data points. For more complex datasets, polynomial interpolation can be employed to capture nonlinear patterns. Interpolation is particularly useful in time series data where maintaining the sequence of observations is crucial. By leveraging interpolation, we can preserve the continuity of data while effectively handling null values. However, it's essential to choose the appropriate interpolation method based on the dataset's characteristics and analysis goals. Time series data presents unique challenges when it comes to handling null values. The temporal nature of such data makes it crucial to preserve the sequence of observations. Forward fill and backward fill methods are common techniques where null values are replaced by the last known or next known value, respectively. These methods are useful when data continuity is essential. Additionally, resampling techniques can help manage missing data by aggregating data over specific time intervals. For instance, you can resample daily data to monthly data to fill in gaps. It's important to carefully choose the method based on the data's characteristics and the analysis objectives. Documenting data cleaning steps is a best practice that ensures transparency and reproducibility in data analysis. Clear documentation allows others to understand the transformations applied to the data. Using comments within your code can provide immediate context and explanations for each step taken. Implementing version control for datasets helps track changes and revert to previous versions if necessary. Creating detailed logs of data cleaning activities, including methods used and reasons for their application, is crucial for future reference. By documenting these steps, you not only enhance collaboration but also ensure that your analysis is both reproducible and trustworthy.
In conclusion, mastering null values in Pandas is an essential skill for any data analyst or scientist. We've explored various methods to identify, fill, and remove null values, each with its own advantages and considerations. By handling null values effectively, you ensure data integrity and improve the accuracy of your analysis outcomes. Remember, practice is key to mastering these techniques. As you work with different datasets, you'll gain confidence in selecting the appropriate method for each situation. Embrace the challenge, and soon you'll be proficient in handling null values, unlocking the full potential of your data with Pandas.